Hello everybody, I am Jeanette Schiller, Independent Distributor for GelMoment. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use Flake Off Remover. So first of all, I'm going to take my file buffer and I'm just going to buff off the shine of my manicure. This will allow for the product to absorb and soak in better. So making sure that you get in the grooves really good, get the tip good that's been capped. So Flake Off is what I'm going to use. It's a very cloudy, you can see it's very cloudy, thick consistency. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it very thickly to my Madame Ali. I'm going to get a little bit more on. You want to make sure you have a good amount put on. Don't be chintzy. Putting too little on is not going to save you or cost you down the road. You actually may have to even apply more. So this is going to just sit and absorb into my polish and literally bubble and flake off. Now if you wear a couple more layers of polish, then you may need a little bit longer time for it to take effect. You can see that it's already starting to bubble there. It could take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes. This is a very convenient, amazing product. You literally just paint it on your nail and sit down, relax, watch a movie, or just relax, do whatever you'd like to do and let it work its magic. And then you take you're going to take a Cuticle Pusher and you're going to gently push it off. Another great thing about this product is that it is 5 free and it literally just like bubbles off. You can see that it's bubbles off. If you have more thicker layers too, it might just absorb a little bit more and not bubble as much, just kind of make the polish softer. But you're going to get immediate results. Like you can see already after literally 1 minute, it is already starting to bubble and take effect. You want to make sure you don't get it on your hand at all. It's acetone free, ethanol based, such an amazing convenient product. So I'm going to take the Cuticle Pusher right now and just see. And the back end there just needs a little bit more time. I might have not got enough quite in there because I don't want to touch my skin at all. And sometimes right in the grooves there can be a little bit stubborn just because you want to avoid putting it on, touching your skin at all. And if you wear multiple layers, you're going to let it sit, and then you're going to take the Cuticle Pusher and just gently push it off, and then you may have to buff the next layer down and put another second coat of Flake Off. It just really depends on how many layers of polish you wear. But this is 2 coats, and this is coming off amazing. It's also gluten-free, latex-free, lead-free, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and eco-friendly. It's just an amazing product. Like I said, quick, convenient, and you can apply as many times as you want to put on the amazing colors that we have. So you can see there, I'm hardly putting any pressure, and it's just flakes right off, literally. And I just get in the corners. I have very rounded nail beds, so I have to make sure that I do get right in the crease so that I can get it off. You can see I got a couple little stubborn areas, so I'm just going to put just a touch more on my end here where I capped it and in my sides there. And you can see on my mat here that like it literally just flaked off. And then I'm just going to take my cleanser pad and give it a little bit of a wipe. So I can see where I missed. And there you go, just like that. It's off and ready to apply the next amazing color. So thank you for tuning in and watching. Once again, I was using the product Flake Off with our Cuticle Pusher and Buffer, and I had the purple Madame Ellie. I have the Chrome on Sublime Green with a little bit of the Madame Ellie nail art, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. My name is Jeanette Schiller, Independent Distributor of GelMoments.